Uses of a feeding pillow during breastfeeding. A feeding pillow, also known as a nursing pillow, is a specially designed cushion to support breastfeeding mothers and their babies. Number 1 provides proper baby positioning. It helps position the baby at the right height to latch onto the breast, reducing strain on the mother's arms and shoulders. Number 2 improves latch quality by keeping the baby in the correct position. A feeding pillow can improve latch quality and make breastfeeding more comfortable and efficient. Number 3 supports different breastfeeding positions, whether it's the cradle hold, football hold, or sideline position. A feeding pillow adapts to various breastfeeding positions, making it versatile. Number 4 relieves postpartum pain for mothers recovering from a C-section. A feeding pillow helps protect the incision area by creating a barrier between the baby and the abdomen. Number 5 assists newborns with feeding difficulties. Babies who are small, premature, or have weak neck muscles can benefit from the elevation and stability provided by the pillow. Number 6 facilitates bottle feeding. Feeding pillows aren't just for breastfeeding, they also make bottle feeding more comfortable by providing arm and back support. Number 7 aids in tummy time and sitting practice. As babies grow, feeding pillows can be repurposed to support them during tummy time or when learning to sit up. Benefits of using a feeding pillow. Number 1 reduces strain on the mother's body. It alleviates pressure on the arms, neck, shoulders, and back by providing additional support during long breastfeeding sessions. Number 2 promotes comfort. The ergonomic design ensures both the mother and baby are comfortable during feeding, reducing fidgeting and frustration. Number 3 encourages longer feeding sessions by reducing discomfort. It enables mothers to breastfeed for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Number 4 improves milk flow. Proper positioning facilitated by the pillow can enhance milk flow, ensuring the baby gets adequate nutrition. Number 5 reduces the risk of nipple soreness. A better latch and proper baby alignment decrease the likelihood of nipple soreness and cracks. Number 6 supports twins during tandem feeding. For mothers of twins, larger feeding pillows are available to help feed both babies simultaneously. Number 7 convenient for on-the-go use. Many feeding pillows are lightweight and portable, making them a great accessory for breastfeeding in public or when traveling. Number 8 boosts confidence in new mothers. Feeding pillows simplify the breastfeeding process, especially for first-time mothers, making it less overwhelming. I hope you found this information helpful and feel more confident about using one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other moms,